Resolving m_safecert context is an invalid handle error in C#. When working with digital certificates and digital signatures in C#, encountering the error message m_safecert context is an invalid handle can be both confusing and frustrating. This error typically indicates that an issue exists with the way the certificate handle is being managed or accessed within your code. Understanding the issue. This error often arises when a certificate context handle, m_safecert context, is improperly initialized, becomes corrupted, or is referenced incorrectly. The handle is essentially a pointer used to access the certificate's underlying data, and any problem with this handle can lead to the error message mentioned above. Common causes. Invalid or disposed handle. If the handle has been marked as invalid due to improper initialization or has been disposed of prematurely, attempting to access it will result in this error. Certificate not found. If the certificate cannot be found in the designated certificate store, the handle will not point to a valid certificate context. Incorrect certificate management. Errors can arise if there are issues with how the certificates are being imported, referenced, or disposed of within the code. Steps to fix the issue. Verify certificate initialization. Ensure that the certificate is correctly loaded and the context handle is properly initialized. This involves verifying that the certificate exists in the correct store and that it's being retrieved correctly. Proper disposal of certificate handles. Ensure that certificate handles are disposed of properly once they are no longer needed. Utilize the using statement to guarantee that resources are released appropriately. Check certificate store accessibility. Make sure your application has the requisite permissions to access the certificate store, and confirm the presence of the certificate in the designated store. Error handling. Implement robust error handling logic to catch exceptions and handle invalid handles gracefully. By understanding the root causes and implementing these solutions, you can effectively resolve them. _safecert context is an invalid handle error when working with digital certificates in C#. Properly managing certificate handles will help ensure the stability and reliability of your cryptographic operations. Be sure to always validate, initialize, and dispose of certificate handles with care to avoid similar issues in the future.